The beginning of the end is here. I called it last week that this week would be the start of the continuation downwards for Bitcoin, didn't I? Welcome back, everyone. And today I will be going through why I think it will continue downwards, down to around the $50,000 level. Firstly, looking at the weekly time frame here, you can see that this week's candle looks like it's going to be closing as a bearish engulfing candle. And looking back over here, you can see that once it tapped into the POI, once it tapped into the POI, the next week's candle formed a bearish engulfing, and what happened was that it went down. So that's why I'm predicting, or my analysis points, that it will continue downwards. Going back here, you can also see in the 2022 bear market that it entered into the POI. The next weekly candle created a bearish engulfing candle and price continued downwards. So this is just one of the indications. So if this week's candle closes engulfing last week's candle, that will be a great indication that price will continue downwards. Next, moving on to the smaller time frame, you can see that price is forming a bull flag pattern. Price running up, consolidating, and will proceed higher. But it is happening at the top of a bear flag, which usually means that price will fall. So, where have we seen this before? Going back to the bull run in 2025, you can see that it happened right here. Price was forming a rising wedge. Right after price came down, it started creating a rising wedge. And price actually ran up, created a bull flag pattern, right? Price was supposed to continue, or not supposed to continue. It was highly indicative that it would continue. But what did price do instead? Price decided to crash downwards. So, since this has happened here, and usually when there's a pattern like this, a bull flag forming at the top of a bear flag pattern, or vice versa, it means that price will continue downwards. So, looking at these couple of indicators, I believe that Bitcoin will continue downwards. I know a lot of people pull up RSIs, EMAs, and a lot of other stuff, but I believe that trading need not be so complicated, and just simple but deep analysis is fine. So, what do you think? If you agree with me or disagree with me, let me know in the comments below. Thank you and see you next time.